What up, though? It's Adriane from billionaire.com. I wanted to kind of give a carry on to what is affiliate marketing if you have those questions. So I know in this video, we'll cover what affiliate marketing has been in the journey for me as of now. So right now, being in the Millionaire Challenge System with Zach Crawford and Daniel Chu, what the benefit for myself. Now, let me tell you, I'm an engineer. I'm wired different than other people. Just because it's good for me might not be good for you, because you need to do your due diligence in regards to what program will be best for you. For example, on CCC Elevate You, I have the different programs that I've been affiliated with, the AMbSDR program, as well as Home Business Academy, all in one online marketing program. Is only $25. Both of the links are in the bio, but it helps you to get your start in the affiliate marketing journey if you're trying to understand it as a business. They have live replays, they have live group conferences, 24/7 is always someone available. So if it's something you make a choice in doing, then there's opportunities for you to get there. So the key with the Millionaire Challenge System, why I am just truly enjoying this mentorship, is it's changing the structure. Okay, so yes, I can go out and market products. I can teach people how to be a brand ambassador, how to go to an Amazon Associates and log in and actually create an Amazon account. But I want people to think bigger. Why not make the choice? So high ticket affiliate marketing niche it's better, right? So before I promote something, I want to have a product that I'm passionate about. If that makes sense. And so in that, I found a twofold. And the link is in the bio as well in regards to going to their free Facebook training group. And that's where I started. I just listen. I listen to the story. I pay attention to people's process. Everybody is different. I mean, when people say that they have been scammed, like if I got on the camera and said that the AMbSDR program was horrible, the commission here was great, horrible, those people I wouldn't listen to, because how can you make judgment on something that someone's trying to bring to the community to you and still put a value and a ticket on it? Software is the hardest thing to value. And I know and understand why the Alliance program had a cost, but again, business is business. And then I'm one of the type of people, you say what you say. If you said no upsells, that's what it was. But we're not going to go into that. Straight Line Leadership is the book that was referred to by my mentor. And this book, one of the tasks, he's creating the foundation first mentally to kind of get all the distractions out of the way so that you can really see the opportunity that is presented in front of you. And so in that, I love this space of affiliate marketing. And the reasoning being is because you can use your creativity any way you want. Like, for example, blogging, I can literally write about whatever, but of course you have to research your keywords. You have to look at the Google algorithms or what have you, see what social media is doing best to kind of get the exposure. But the key is it's possible. It's possible. So 5 takeaways from Straight Line Leadership that actually, kind of resonated with me was one of those: you do have the power of choice. I honestly can say that I thought that I had it all together, but when I literally was reading and doing the research and listening to, like I said, the mentorship and the foundational steps that I'm going through right now through the program, I have some work to do. And the great thing is I have my hand up and saying I'll make sure I do that work, but you have to make the choice to do that. It's not an easy thing. It's not. But at the same time, I know if I can grow mentally, it's a choice and it's a mindset. I went to Murray State University. Go Ja Morant. He's balling right now, right? I hoop there too. But anyway, when going there, you spend 4 years of education in school. I have, like I said, a degree in electromechanical engineering and a master's in business. The key that they teach us in school is to apply those skills to be able to reach and obtain the goals that you want to reach. The goals and obtain, they're not aligning. You go in debt for all of this money or all of this education. You say you're not doing engineering, but I'm an analytical person, so I'm always doing engineering. But I'm not working at like a General Motors like I used to, or working at one of the automotive companies. I'm actually utilizing my creativity in a different way. But my key is you have a choice. And in the Straight Line Leadership, it literally tells, get all the distractions out the way. You can actually do anything you really put your mind to. There's an A point and a B point. A is where you are now, and B is where you're choosing your objective to go. Okay, and so they tell you to change that whole thought process to have it more so B is your future and A is your present. And so you work instead of the circular way. I was working the circular way. Like I said, I've done insurance. I'm an insurance broker right now. I'm a mortgage broker right now, but I don't have the happiness to be able to help my people like I want. So affiliate marketing and being able to master the skill. I was talking to someone earlier today and they were talking about, when people say the millionaire mindset. When I say millionaire, I'm not talking about the dollars in the bank account or the cars and all of that. I mean, I have a nice car. I have a very nice place to stay. I mean, I'm not speaking of millionaire like that. Millionaire to me means having my family, my friends understand that they can actually make a choice. My community understand that you can make a choice of doing anything and whatever you want to do. Now, if you want to work a 9 to 5, that's all for you, but you're helping someone else live their dream. So making money online is all about you understanding that you can make it happen. You have to hustle for yourself. The first thing is you get all the clutter and distractions out the way, focus in on what your goals are, narrow in on those goals and stop going circular. That's kind of what I was doing, zigzagging. I want to be a straight line leader. Enika's a straight line leader. She'll waver with you for a little while, but she's a straight line leader, meaning if you say you're going to do something, do it. Okay. I'll accept, I'm wishy-washy sometimes with people because, I'm just a people person, but I want to be a straight line leader as well. And the benefit of being a straight line leader mentally for everyone around you, it gives you responsibility to make sure that you take care of business. So like I said, we're going to do the top 5 takeaways. Life is a choice. You make the choice on what it looks like. Number 2, B to A for your equation. B is the future. A is your present. Number 3, consider being a straight line leader. Look into the book of Straight Line Leadership. Again, the link is in the bio. Change your thought process. Okay. Number 4, your inner strength is the mental posture on how you establish your life. So you can continue making the excuses and blame everybody, your situation, your life, your background, what happened yesterday. You got to look in the mirror. It's all about you. Number 4, stop being circular. Be direct. Be to the point of what your goals are and follow that process. And number 5 in the straight line leadership, don't let distractions get in the way of your goal. You focus in on your goal. Like today, I had a mouse issue. Oh my gosh. It literally came out of nowhere, but it's so funny. My cousin does tarot card readings, Carmen Mayes. She does readings or what have you. So in January of this year, she actually did readings about, abundance. I was going to have some family issues and I was going to have, some different things that actually came to fruition. So I was like, I'm all God fearing. I know he has the plan, but I also know my family has the strength in the additional realms of world. So Carmen has a strength, definitely. I'm just saying. But so in that, knowing all of that, putting all of this together, you make a choice in regards to what you want to do in direction in your life. And so when you build yourself up and you're the best, that's you, everybody else around you is going to do nothing but be the best change community ever. So the millionaire status to me is not the dollars in my bank account. Millionaire status to me is my family, my friends, and my community, the change community. And that means anybody here in Detroit, in the United States, in the world that want to take action and not try. It's all about having knowledge. Yes, knowledge is power. No, applied knowledge is power. So empower yourselves, decide to make a change. You're going to get me every day because, again, as I go through what I go through, because you're going to have your ups and your downs. It's not going to be all gravy, but we're going to focus in on the B, which is the future. Adriane with billionaire.com. Hopefully, if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel as well as like all of my blog, www.billionaire.com, as well as rudyratings.com. We're just here trying to give some love and show real talk information. So check out that book again, Straight Line Leadership. The link is in the bio. Appreciate your time this Sunday. Go hard.